So this is the tablet that I bought from Amazon. It's the Fire HD 8 for kids. I bought it for my daughter. Well, it has a good reviews, so I'm gonna try it. It's actually on sale for £100. I think it's 100 or £50. So that's a bargain for having a 1 year free unlimited kids subscription, and this 2 years no quibo guarantee, which means that if you break it for any reason, then they will change it within the 2 years period. It's actually a pink one. Oh, so this is the box, and I think it's supposed to be a pink one inside. Sorry for the movement. I'm using one hand to open this. So this is the 32 gig pink case. Let's see inside. Hang on a sec. So this is it. It's pink. It has a bumper case. It is like it's a bit foamy, but very solid one. Doesn't have a film to protect the screen, but because of the 2 years guarantee, then I think it's okay. And it comes with a charger, and that's it. I'll talk about the others in another video, the content for next time. See you soon.